In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these rustic wood pumpkins using decoupage napkin technique. So let's get started. You're going to need a Cricut machine, a green Cricut mat, vinyl for stencil, transfer tape, iron or a heat source, these antique tacks, Mod Podge, paint, scissors, a weeding tool, this faux leather sheet, butcher paper, paper napkins, sandpaper, a foam brush, and these unfinished wood pumpkins. Start by adding a thin layer of Mod Podge to the front surface of the pumpkin and allow it to dry completely. Then taking a 2-ply napkin, separate the backing, only leaving the layer with the pattern for use. You're going to lay the napkin layer on top of the pumpkin and lay down the butcher paper as a barrier between the napkin and the iron. And then on the lowest to medium setting of the iron, you're going to gently reheat the Mod Podge so that the napkin can adhere. And you're going to be sure to iron the napkin corner to corner to ensure that there is no lifting. And to make things easier, I'm going to cut off any extra napkin. Once the napkin is completely stuck to the wood pumpkin, we're going to use a light to medium grip sandpaper in a downward motion and sand off the excess napkin. Now you're going to measure and cut a rectangular strip from the faux leather sheet. Sizing will depend on the pumpkin, but approximately 1 inch by 4.5 inches for a 6-inch pumpkin. So in Design Space, you're going to create a stencil using your choice of saying and font and cut it out as normal on permanent vinyl. Check out the blog for a full tutorial on how to do this. To create a stencil, you're going to weed out the lettering versus weeding out around the font. Now you're going to use the antique tacks to attach the leather strip to the wood pumpkin and just find the center and the location of your choice. Use the transfer tape to transfer the stencil vinyl from the carrier sheet onto the leather, and then using a foam brush, you're going to stipple the paint onto the leather through the stencil. Don't paint it on as normal. Then remove the stencil after the paint is completely hard and dried on the leather. Otherwise, if you remove it too soon, the paint will become rubbery on the leather and pull up. Then once the paint is completely dry, you can remove the stencil and display it in your home. If you found this video helpful, please share with a friend. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!